Light from a star explosion 350 years ago is still traveling through space, bouncing off clouds of dust like echoes in a vast cosmic canyon. These light echoes arrive at different times depending on the dust they hit, creating layers of reflected light that reveal the invisible structure of the interstellar medium. Observations from 2024 show three distinct sets of light echoes, each corresponding to dust clouds at different distances, tracing the complex flow of material around a star that exploded 11,000 light years away. Closer inspection reveals wisps of dust arranged in dense sheets with knots and swirls, resembling the grain patterns in wood but on scales hundreds of times larger than our solar system. These structures might trace magnetic field lines threading through space, opening a new way to study how magnetized turbulence shapes the cosmos on a scale impossible to recreate on Earth. The dust sheets resemble the grain patterns in wood, packed with knots and whorls visible down to 400 astronomical units, revealing an unexpected complexity in cosmic structures. Astronomer Jennifer Jensen presented these findings at the 245th meeting of the American Astronomical Society, highlighting how JWST's resolution surpasses previous infrared telescopes. Visualizing magnetized turbulence in space is like watching smoke twist and curl in a breeze, except these cosmic currents stretch across billions of kilometers. NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope first identified this dust wisp as a light echo, but its limited resolution left much of the intricate detail hidden until JWST's observations. Cassiopeia A, the supernova remnant located 11,000 light-years away, continues to serve as a cosmic laboratory for understanding how stellar explosions shape their surroundings. The interstellar medium's complexity is visible down to 400 astronomical units, roughly 10 times the distance from the Sun to Pluto, revealing tiny knots and whorls in dust sheets. Astronomer Jennifer Jensen described these dust sheets as resembling the grain patterns in wood, a natural analogy that helps us grasp the chaotic beauty of space turbulence. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, paved the way for observing faint cosmic phenomena, but it's the James Webb Space Telescope that now reveals details invisible before. These dust structures might trace magnetic field lines threading through space, similar to iron filings aligning around a magnet, unveiling magnetized turbulence on an unprecedented scale. NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope first identified this light echo, but it lacked the resolution to capture the intricate details now visible thanks to JWST's advanced infrared capabilities. Astrophysicist Carl Hiles pioneered the use of radio waves to map magnetic fields in space, revealing invisible forces shaping interstellar dust clouds. These magnetic fields act like cosmic sculptors, twisting and folding dust sheets into intricate patterns, much like wind-shaped sand dunes in a desert. The turbulence within these dust sheets occurs on scales of hundreds of astronomical units, comparable to the distance from the Sun to Pluto multiplied by 10. JWST's infrared vision penetrates these dusty veils, revealing faint glows invisible to optical telescopes, like night vision goggles illuminating a hidden forest. This changed how you think about this topic. Hit subscribe. We break down one mind-bending concept every week. Links to sources are in the description.